Oh, welcome everybody to one of a series of videos on demystifying Business Central. We started the series in response to many customers coming to us looking for the next step from their legacy system, ERP system. Quite often that's GP or formerly Great Plains, and they want to know what the next iteration looks like, and that's Business Central. So we have a bunch of these short, very short videos in a lot of cases, 1 to 5 minutes, with one little piece, what it looks like, and this one is just going to be logging into Business Central. So any browser, I have a blank address up there. I'm just going to type in businesscentral.dynamics.com. That of course tells you software as a service, and it's online system. So get in one of my logins for my test system here. Click next and look for my password, which is saved for me, but you'd have to type in yours commonly. And answer yes to this. And this is logging on to Business Central. So some of the things you'll see here are, hey, near the top right corner, I'm logged in. That's my username. If I can draw your attention over to the top left-hand corner, the typical 9 dots you see with any of your Office online accounts, that shows you all the apps that you have available to you within your subscription. Let me close that. Let me just point out the URL. I'm going to highlight a few parts of it. Basic HTTPS, and what I typed in, businesscentral.dynamics.com. The next stage I'll highlight is really your, I call it your Microsoft ID, your subscription ID, unique to each Microsoft customer. You may have seen this. If you have Office Online, it is the same one. After that, after we've gone to businesscentral.dynamics.com, noted the customer, really your customer number, and then the environment. Mine says Sandbox 2. You'll notice that near the top right corner. As the environment I'm in, there can have a couple of environments in this system. And within that environment, my sandbox is, well, what you'll see in the URL is the company. And this company is One Staff Demo by the looks of it, or One Staff BC Demo, with a little bit of the, I guess that's HTML code, or the URL percentage signs in between separating words, and that's really the first one. Any more than that, we'll take away from a future video. So that's your first demystifying video, and we'll see you on the next round.